Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to download a video converter. By using it, you can convert video to audio so easily. Let's go and see it. First go to your browser, then click the link I will give you in the description. Then click here to download the software. After downloading the software, install it. Now I'm going to show you how to use it. I have already installed it, that's why. Here is the software. After opening the software, it will look like this. Then click add text and select the video which you want to make audio file. I'm going to select this one. Then here is the main word where which format you want to make it. Select that, and where you want to keep the file, select that. I want to select desktop, then press OK. Then press start. It depends on your PC performance and how it works, fast or slowly. Okay, it's done. I'm going to close the software, and here is my audio file. If you like the video, share with your friends and keep subscribed.